In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh on Life 360. First, begin by locating the Life 360 app on your device. You will see a circular icon that represents the app. This icon is typically colored in shades of blue and green. Once you find it, tap on the icon to open the app. As the app loads, you might notice the screen transitioning with a smooth animation. This signifies that the app is preparing to provide you with the latest updates from your circle. Opening the app is essential as it allows you to access all the features and functionalities necessary for location sharing. Now that the app is open, you will find yourself on the main screen, which displays a map. This map is the heart of Life 360, showing you the real-time locations of your friends and family. The map may have various icons representing different users in your circle. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is crucial because understanding the map enhances your experience and ensures you know where everyone is located. You will feel more in control and connected to your loved ones. Next, look for the refresh icon on the screen. This icon usually looks like a circular arrow symbol, indicating that you can update the map. It may be located at the top right corner or somewhere easily accessible on your screen. Once you find it, tap on the refresh icon. This action prompts the app to retrieve the most current location data for all members in your circle. Refreshing the map is important as it provides you with the latest updates, ensuring that you can track the whereabouts of your loved ones accurately. If you do not see a refresh button on the screen, don't worry. Sometimes the app can behave unpredictably. In this case, the best course of action is to close the app completely. To do this, simply swipe up or use the back button depending on your device. After you have closed the app, wait a moment before reopening it. This step is essential because it helps reset the app's functionality, allowing it to connect to the server and fetch new data effectively. Once you have closed the app, find the Life 360 icon again and tap it to reopen the application. The app will load once more, and you should soon see the map reappear. This process may take a few seconds, so be patient. After the app is loaded, it will automatically check for updates. This ensures that you will receive the most recent location data available. Patience is key here, as refreshing the app in this way can often resolve any syncing issues you may have experienced. After a few seconds, the app should update the locations displayed on the map. You may notice changes in the positions of your friends or family members, indicating that the update was successful. This is a reassuring moment as it confirms that you are now viewing real-time information. Keeping the app refreshed plays a vital role in maintaining connectivity with your circle, allowing you to stay informed about their whereabouts at any given moment. With these steps completed, you now know how to refresh the Life 360 app effectively. This simple process ensures that you always have the latest information at your fingertips, enhancing your experience and connection with your loved ones. Remember, if you encounter any issues, repeating these steps can often resolve them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.